never told you that you was beautiful. Brown cuticles, mind complex as a Rubik's Cube. What I do to you is treat you like a queen and chase the dream. Avoid the hate we try.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is December 2018 curl box, the last of the year, and they gave us some heavy hitters in this box. LottaBody came out with a new line called the Milk and Honey line, and that is in the December box, and it is everything. Alright, so in this issue, it's the party issue. The party box is what it's called. It says the fam, the girls, the groups, the party issue. You know, I like to just read the bold to give you an idea of what it's about. I'm not sure how they got party mixed in with the LottaBody Milk and Honey, but I guess because this hair right here, I'm definitely about to go out and slay with this set. I did a Bantu knot with these products. This line has a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in, a foam styler, and a edge control. Of course, you know, there is not a line without an edge control. I don't know why they keep coming up with different edge control when you could just reuse the one you already have, which I'm sure it's the same thing, just a different color. But you know, LottaBody has the other line that is blue, and I really did like their leave-in for that line. And this leave-in for this line is the same. Amazing. You know, with each box, I demonstrate to you how to use each product, what they look like, what they smell like, the things they're supposed to do to your hair. And this video is nothing short. So just keep watching so you can see what I like and what I did not like in this December curl box. Alright, that way.
Alright, first up we have the Restore Me Cream Shampoo, which removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable. As you can see, this stuff suds up amazing, and it is very creamy to the touch, and it smells just like honey. I love shampoo that suds. That's how I know my hair is clean, I guess, but it's very moisturizing as well. Look at them suds. These are the results. Next up, we have the Restore Me Cream Shampoo, which is supposed to deeply moisturize, make hair soft and manageable. And as you can see, I'm able to comb my hair with this product in with ease. It detangles very well. I'm not too sure I like that the product sits on top of the hair. I really like products that melt in the hair, but this is definitely giving me really good definition to my curls. So I guess even though it sits on top of the hair, it's still pretty good. What I'm going to do is put a cap on and sit that for about 30 minutes, and this is the results. Alright, next up we have the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner, which is supposed to lock in moisture, continuously intense hydration, detangle, and adds shine, which it does. This stuff adds so much shine and definition. The product melts into the hair, as you can see, and it clumps the curls amazing. Look at the hair without any product. You see that curl? This line is A1. Everything about this line I'm really enjoying, especially the smell. Just the leave-in is clumping my curls. Alright, last up we have the Milk and Honey Refined Me Curl Defining Mousse with a medium hold and soft curls. Define curls, add body and shine. I am going to separate my hair before I do my Bantu knots. It's best to work in sections as in with anything else. I am putting 3 sections in the front, and then I'm going to do 2 sections in the back. One big one in the middle and then one small in the bottom makes the 2 sections. Your lines do not have to be perfect, you just have to get it done. Yeah, my hands were slippery. I could not get this stuff to come out. It's the regular mousse as always. It says it does have a medium hold, which it does. It held the curls amazing as you saw in the beginning of the video. But check out the curl. Like, you could do a wash and go with this foam. I don't think I've ever had a foam that I can actually do a wash and go with. But for the Bantu knots, what you do is twist it up and then do the Bantu knot. I prefer to twist the hair before I do the Bantu knot. It makes it easier when it comes to separating. And I decided to do a little design with it with the crisscross in the front because I am going to wear this in my hair for about 2 days. So if you're going to wear it for a few days, it's best to kind of style the parts, or at least make sure the parts in the front are kind of straight. Who cares about the back? Alright, so let's talk through how I actually do my Bantu knots. You part it, you add the product to it, and then I comb through with a fine tooth comb. I know some people don't like fine tooth combs, but you have to have smooth hair when doing Bantu knots. That is like the second step and the best Bantu knot is smooth hair. So you want smooth hair and for it to completely dry all the way. Look at the definition with this mousse. It is amazing. So you section the hair, twist it up. I like to twist halfway, comb the rest of it, and then do the Bantu knot. You have to take your time. So we can't forget about the edges, the Tame Me 24-hour edge control that goes with the line. Smells good. It's nice and soft. It's not as like stiff as some edge controls, but it definitely holds. As you can see, my edges are laid. Even at the beginning of the video, they were super laid. This is a top in my book. All done.
Alright guys, you reached the end of this video, and as you've seen in the video, I am in love with this whole line. I don't think I said too many bad things about this line. I mean, everything about it was an A+ for me. I love it, from the shampoo to the conditioner to the leave-in to the styler to even the edge control. As you can see, these edges are laid, hunty. Okay, so I love everything about it. It made my hair bouncy, it made my hair soft and manageable, everything. This line is really good. LottaBody really outdid themselves. This line almost reminds me of their other line that's somewhat just like it. It's just not the same smell. The blue one, I can't think of the blue line right off the top of my head. If you know it, shout it out in the description. Shout it out in the comment box and remind me what the blue line is called by LottaBody. But it kind of mimics that in a sense, because I really did like the leave-in from that line as well, as much as I love this leave-in. Like, I think I found my second favorite leave-in. The first one, as you all know if you've been following me for a while, is the Curls on the Go, Curls Unleashed line. The Curls on the Go Jane Carter line, that one. That leave-in is #1 right now. This one is definitely a strong #2. I love everything about it. This is the hairstyle that I came up with. You know, with each curl box, I like to give you a complete style. I use only the products that it comes with, and this is what I came up this month. I did skip last month, but I am going to backtrack and do a whole video on those. Life was just very busy. So this month is what we have, and I cannot wait for the results. I am going to wear this in my hair for a complete 24 hours, and then I will come back to you with the results. Because Bantu knots, if you don't know, the key to the perfect Bantu knot is having your hair 100% dry. Your hair has to be dry. I mean dry, to have a bomb Bantu knot out. because these are really not, so the hair is on top of each other, which causes it to hold a lot of moisture, so it takes a long time to dry. Even if you sit underneath a hooded dryer, even in the middle tends to be a little wet, so you have to make sure it's completely dry before you take them down. Okay, I gave you a style to do with the box, so this is what we have, and this is the end, so you already know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.